everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. Today we're going to look... Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please hit that subscribe and notification button. Today I'm going to do a look by the NYX Swear By It palette, which I am recommending to everyone as a great Christmas gift for all your makeup lovers. If you don't want to go like high end, with everything that's out on the market right now, and it's just flooded, it's saturated, there's so much. But here's a great palette. It's $35, 40 colors, or 40 shades should I say, and just covers the rainbow. So great palette, and if you want to see how I got this look using it, please keep watching. Hey everybody, welcome back. So, this evening, or should I say this morning, it's 3 o'clock in the morning, I can't sleep, I keep waking up. We are going to do a look with the NYX Swear By It palette, and this is what the palette looks like. It has, I can't ever remember how many shades it has. It has 40 shades in it. It's a variety of matte and shimmers and satins and all of the above. So, yeah. You may wonder, why would I do a look with this palette now? Because it's been out for a while. Well, I was thinking about doing some videos on some affordable palettes, and I say affordable loosely, that I would recommend people buy for friends of theirs that are just getting into makeup or are new to this. So this NYX palette retails for $35. It is absolutely worth every penny. For the amount of shade and product you get in here, it is comparable to drugstore. It is technically a drugstore brand. It's sold at Ulta and at NYX's website and at Target and at Walmart's website. So several places you can get it, but I just think that it is such a good palette for someone who is not necessarily wedded to, I like only warms, I like only cools. This is a great variety, a lot of color, and a lot of neutrals in it as well. So with that being said, we're gonna dig into the palette. That was stuff falling on my desk. And yeah, we're gonna dig into the palette. But first, I'm gonna go ahead and get my face done like that, and I'll be back in a minute. Okay, everybody, I'm back. So I have my face all done up with nothing surprising, other than I am back with my Urban Decay All Nighter. I just haven't touched this in forever, and I'm just loving it again. I do put a little bit of the Tarte Maracuja in it just to make it not so matte, because it is a very matte foundation. So we are going to go in to our Swear By It palette from NYX. I am not sure what color scheme I'm going to do today. But we'll just kind of get into it. Maybe some yellows. Yellow? It's not really today. It's whatever. Just do it, Susan. Just do it. So that's exactly what I'm doing. I'm just going right in to this bright yellow. And I'm actually going to try and do something with it and not be so like bam, right? Like I'm always like, oh, here it is. Here I am. Bam. Trying to be more precise in my placement of the shadow. Number one, because I already have foundation on. Number two, I'm just trying something different. I watch a crap ton of YouTube, like we all do, right? Problem is, I watched it on my television, my Apple TV, and I like all of your stuff, but there's like no way for me to comment on Apple TV. And by the time I'm watching it, like, I'm a veg. It's like the middle of the night. It's lazy, I know. I should go back to what I watched and make a comment, because I do love all of your content. And I learn a lot of things from you guys. So, let's see what we're going to do here. I think I'm going to go into a little bit of a darker yellow. I'm not liking how this side is turned out, but I think we'll be able to figure that out with a little darker. So I'm going to go into, I went into this shade right here first, so I'm going to go a little bit darker in my crease with that. And we're going to turn this, oh, that is darker. See how pigmented these shades are? It's just fabulous. It's a great little palette. I always forget to pick it up because I have too much stuff, but it does stay out on top of my vanity that you can see back there. And I should pick it up more than I do. So it's really blowing out more than I want it to on that side. And I don't know that I'm going to be able to recover from that. So, why so sad, sister? Yes, I'm back onto the Joker and Batman. Alright, so I'm going to go into this gold right here, kind of staying in the same row. And I'm going to put that into the center of my eye. This brush right here is a little Urban Decay brush. This is not wet. Let me see if I wet it. What happens? I'm just doing it with a little bit of my Mario Badescu. Oh yeah, you get much more golden. Much more golden. Yellow is just a new love of mine. I am so sniffly. It's the time of the year for me. Okay, so I'm thinking about going into this shade down here just for a little depth. The shades don't have names, they just have numbers. So if we do that, then technically I want a more precise brush. Guess what we're doing today? You won't believe it. You're going to be in shock. We are washing brushes. Look at me, I'm wiping a brush on my shirt. Tells you I'm not going anywhere in these clothes. So I just want to, and this is a very small little brush. I'm just trying to deepen up that edge a little bit. What's that? And, oh, I went into a very dark brown beside the one I really wanted to go into, but that's okay. It's alright. We're gonna make it look good anyway. I think I'm gonna take my mommy out today. See if I can convince her to go to Richmond. Alright. Take a little bit of that brown. Actually, I'm gonna do something a little diff. I'm gonna go into the yellow first. I'm gonna really smoke the yellow out under the eyes. And then we'll go back in Sorry. We're going to go back in that same brush we used to smoke it out. We'll go into the brown a little bit. A little bit tighter to the eye line, and we're going to look, I wore that Huda Beauty nude palette the other day, and I used some of the glitter shades. And I have been trying to get glitter off my face by days. Days, I tell you. Alright, so I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of, not that there's, let me go back to this palette. Go back to the palette, Susan. I was going to pull out my Kat Von D, but I don't need to. There's enough shimmer. It's not a shimmer. It is. Alright, so there's enough shimmer shades in here. We can do this. We can do it. You can do it. Let me just wipe off a brush here, and I'm going to go into a little bit of a muted gold color. I'm going to put that in our inner corner. And a little bit up into our brow bone. Just to get a little bit of shimmer. I don't always do my brow bone, but alright. Alright, so we're just going to put on a little mascara. I'm going to, my other mascara that I'm trying to use up is in my pocketbook. And so my eyes have been weeping lately. And, yeah. So my mascara goes everywhere. I need to get some waterproof. This is the Lancome Big something. I can't even see it. I'll tell you. It's a little sample I got. I was watching someone and I'm so sorry. Oh, I think it was Bailey Sarian. And she was saying how much she likes little deluxes better because she just thinks that the spoolie's better, the product's better. I think I tend to agree with her. I tend to reach for my little samples, and God knows we get 1,000 samples. Alright, so a little bit of mascara. And we'll get us some lipstick. What kind of lipstick do we want to put on today? No. 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 I should like the sound of all my lipsticks clattering together. No. It's a very distinct sound to me. Actually, I think I'm just going to put on a little bit of MAC lip gloss. This is Spite. It is like a oldie but goodie lip gloss. So, alright guys, this is a look I got using the Swear By It palette. Every time I've done something with this, I just love it. Like I said, there's so many colors. There's blues, greens, yellows, oranges, reds. Just about anything you would want to do. So I do think, and I would recommend this as a Christmas gift for someone that is a fan of makeup. So I love you guys so, so much. I'll see you next time. Bye.